Yeah, run for the third term.
Yes.
And more. More come.
Well, we just work and the people them decide.
More come.
We just do work.
You are sure, sir. You're doing a good job.
Thank you.
Night and day, I say.
Please, I see the point
You know, I pray from the enemies.
Yes.
It's a touching at the Lord Almighty.
Yes.
And from your mother's womb, you choose. For such a time as this, you are chosen. So look here. All of them are going, let them steal them.
But you know, that's exactly what I do.
Not, you know,
I don't carry them, I don't bring
I said to
them.
my sister,
I don't respond to them.
Yes, I said to my sister, what I love about you, you know, answer nobody. You know, go find out create the excitement. You never said me never do, but you know what happened? God speaks for you.
Yes.
Right on.
Thank you.
Right on.
Keep praying.
No man can tigger you. Shake it, mama shake it, feel over her. Feel over Satamahanda. You are a winner. Glory to God.
Glory to God.
Bless him, God. Bless him.
How are you?
I'm good.
Hello.
Yes, and you come to me and say, oh, you have lunch out tonight. So I was there to help me, sir, to buy my medication. First, I say, but to tell you thanks in person.
Come here.
21 years to them, take a 21 years to them.
How are you doing?
I'm good, and 2007 like I say, can't help me, but we just fight it. So I thank you, know, I'm once ever talk to you.
Oh, God.
You know, like they say you come on, but you might got JPS, them charge me too much. So I want to thank you, you know. So I want to, oh God. Thanks, Tata. Send me picture, okay. Thank you. 21 years, I was there.
Oh, God.
Paul and Tika. And Sam.
Where's Tika? I haven't seen Tika
Long
in
time in the Fernandez, sir.
I haven't seen Tika in years.
When you come and say, you have lungs cancer looking like this. It does not work.
That's almost that near Bakerley.
Right. All right. You know.
Blessings.
And
Alright.
remember,
I'm happy to see you. You're looking good. You're looking good.
I'm a prime minister. Me at all of us. You go turn.
Let us come. Me's a crossover PMP. Because you're one of the best prime ministers me ever see. Show me labor. You are one of the best prime ministers. This is a woman you ever see you move the country forward. Everything you've done in the right direction, the prime minister. And me, pray that God guide you and cover you. No weapon that form against you and the Jamaican Labour Party and the Jamaican people shall prosper. Me love you. Want a picture with you. Show her every time. The best PM ever see, brother. Keep up the good work.
Bless you.
Look at Jamaica. Our beauty spreads across every single acre. As a people we are so loving in nature. We have so much of which to be proud. We love our nation. From the youth to elderly we are from Jamaica. We unite in victory or tribulation. So when I say there's no stopping us now, no stopping us now. Cause we have a leader committed to Jamaica, full of integrity and his mothers never break on. And with the JLP directing our future, we'll continue stronger. Jamaica will prosper. We will do better, yeah. Jamaica will prosper, yeah. With JLP and the Holness as the leader, we will be stronger, yeah. We will do better, yeah. Jamaica will prosper, yeah. With JLP and the Holness as the leader, we will be stronger, yeah. So far we've come and we've got further to go. Oh, in spite of challenges, Jamaica still go. No more than ever.
I'm going to put that work. Oh, you got one already? Yeah. Bless up, man. Let me read one of my back. Bless up. I'm going to put that work. I don't have experience. I'm going to put that work today. Blessings. Morning, my friend. I'm going to put that work. Bless you. Bless you.
Labor rights, ring the bell them. Winner, we are winner, we are winner. JLP winner, we are winner, we are winner. Labor right, winner, we are winner, we are winner. When the hand them there, Labor Party a big up Jamaica. We everyone to Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica, cause we love the Jamaica. And to a big up Jamaica. We everyone to Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica, cause we love the Jamaica. Them call we jump down.
Choose Jamaica. Choose Jamaica. We're on a mission to lift up our communities. Jamaica Labour Party building shared prosperity. No, we never said that it would happen overnight. Still we laid the foundation to make the future right. We pledge our hearts to uphold our part. We've been going strong and we're just getting started. A leadership who stands to the rightful path. The greener grass is here, the better choice is clear. Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means. To choose Jamaica, choose JLP. Yes, we're building a better future together. Stay true no matter the weather. JLP standing bold through every plan and school and road. From hardships to hope, we've been paving the way. The very best of Jamaica starts today. And so we pledge our hearts to uphold our path. We've been going strong and we're just getting started. A leadership who stands to the rightful path. The greener grass is here. Choose Jamaica. Choose Jamaica. We're on a mission to lift up our communities. Jamaica Labour Party building shared prosperity. No, we never said that it would happen overnight. Still we laid the foundation to make the future right. We pledge our hearts to uphold our part. We've been going strong and we're just getting started. A leadership who stands to the rightful path. The greener grass is here, the better choice is clear. Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means. To choose Jamaica, choose JLP. Yes, we're building a better future together. Stay true no matter the weather. JLP standing bold through every plan and school and road. From hardships to hope, we've been paving the way. The very best of Jamaica starts today. And so we pledge our hearts to uphold our path. We've been going strong and we're just getting started. A leadership who stands to the rightful path. The greener grass is here.
We get the nice pepper shrimp. When you're going to the grade, please don't take the highway. Jump on the golf course. This is the best attraction on this is the best river shrimp in jump on the Oh, river shrimp. Nice river shrimp. And these are the rainforest shrimp.
How are you, sir? You want to come there? Make it more. No, man, everything all right. Take time with the signal.
For such a small joint, the quality is very, very
No,
good.
man, it's picture quality, no? Yeah, in seeking your vote is to present to you why I believe I am the better choice. And I can give you very quickly, for your consideration, why I believe that the Jamaica Labour Party and the government that I administer on your behalf should get the third term. In 1963, the murder rate in Jamaica was about 3 per 100,000. 3 persons murdered in a year for every 100,000 Jamaicans. In 2016, the murder rate went as high as 49 per 100,000 people. You know what the murder rate in Jamaica is today? We have cut it in half. The murder rate is now about 25 per 100,000. A problem that developed over the last 63 years. The Jamaica Labour Party is the only political party that has managed to have this dramatic cut in murders in the country. And not just murders, in shooting and in major crime. Think about it. Every year you get up how much people murder, how much robbery, killing, all kind of things. In this parish, the superintendent in charge told me, murders are down 60%. Shootings are down 50%. Major crimes are down 40%. This is going to be probably the most peaceful parish in the country. That is as a direct result of the Jamaica Labour Party. So even if you are a PNP and you grew up in a PNP family and this fact confronts you and you are a thinking person, you must at least give the Labour Party some credit and say, boy, them deal with something that no other government has ever been able to address. And we never do it just 1 year. We did it for 3 years. We are reducing murders. In 2023 it was, we reduced murders by almost 8%. In 2024, we reduced murders by almost 20%. And as I speak to you today, we are 42% below murders last year. The Labour Party, therefore, should be given the opportunity to continue to bring down murders which have plagued us for decades. And we are going to bring down murders to well below what the regional average is. On average in this region, the Caribbean, Central and South America, the average murders per 100,000 is about 15 per 100,000. And we're going to bring our murder rate down below that. Jamaica is a peaceful country. We started out as a peaceful country. We make politics get in the way. We make breakdown in our morals and values get in the way. We make poverty and social issues get in the way. And then we saw a rise in the crime. Now, finally, we're bringing that back under control. So you will be able to live a peaceful life.